Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do a plan with me, and I'm really excited because this week is my birthday week, and this is what my February consists of currently. My niece's birthday, my birthday, my mom's birthday. So we are actually on the week of the 10th to the 16th. So this has been my weeks. I don't think I've been planning on camera just because I didn't feel like it, but this is my birthday week. I didn't even know I pre-planned with like once more with love stickers, but I am gonna use pink lemonade mini kit from Jessica Hart. So I'm really excited. I'm not gonna do like a whole lot of planning just because I'm currently just doing I'm doing daily planning. So at the end of the day I just go ahead and like memory keep everything that I did within the day. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and do, I'm gonna remove this because even though I was excited to use this washi, clearly since I pre-planned my washi, I'm gonna go ahead and remove it because I'm gonna go ahead and add that washi, and then maybe later on I can go ahead and add it. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove this and lay out my kit. So this is the washi. It looks so pretty, like, oh my god. And I think it's like, it's pink, it's bright, something that, you know, it shows girly. So I'm celebrating, you know, some lemonade, some grandma's recipe apparently. But I love it. So let me go ahead and put this down. And I love her matte kits. I don't know what it is, but I love them. I think they're so vibrant and they're beautiful. So now let me work on the days. Does she have days? Yes, she does. And it's gonna be from the 10th. So I'm just gonna write them in. So 10. So there we go. We have the date covers here. And thank you for all the early birthday wishes. You guys are so sweet. And I always tell my boyfriend, I'm like, what are we gonna do? He's like, I was like, when is your day off? I sneakily told him yesterday, and he's like, I have Saturday off. I was like, uh-huh. And he's like, oh, and I have your birthday off. I'm like, oh, okay, great. He's like, I don't have Valentine's Day off though. And I was like, it's fine, you'll be at work so you can bring me balloons regardless. And he's like, I always do, I would never forget. I was like, I know. It's just a friendly reminder that even if you're at work, you can still get me balloons. So that's me. That is my whole life right there. Alright, so now let me see. As a full box, it is my birthday, so should I use her? I mean, she does have a bun. She does have all the nice hair. Or should I use the cake? No, I can use the cake on my birthday. So let's use the girl because, you know, that'd be me. That'd be me. So let me go ahead and put this here. Beautiful. And then let me lay out my sidebar. So does she have trackers? I like doing these trackers even though sometimes I don't even keep up with them, but I don't mind having them there just because I'm so used to having them that I'm just like, why wouldn't I? So there we go. And then I can use this. I wish one had like, oh, dinners. It does. I was like, why doesn't one of these have like food of the week? So I'm gonna go ahead and put that. Trust me, you guys, I've been like dying to go to Disneyland so much that I thought about putting it on a card and paying it off, but then I was just like, your girl is working too hard to give up now. But I have good news. My mom did let me know that my check came in the mail. So I picked it up and I haven't deposited. So I have to do that. So that's that. So I think this might be the actual last week that I'm off from my workers' comp. I'm really excited. I'm hoping that's it. I'm hoping that's it. If not, then we'll keep going. I did feel bummed though because HR did call me because I don't know if you guys know, I've been trying to move departments just because my body can't handle like the physical labor, and it's not like intense, dude, you guys, but I'm very weak as a person naturally. So 20 pounds or like holding up a toddler takes the living breath out of me. Like if your kid is heavy, I can't do it. So imagine a box full of medicine and I have to like transfer it because I have to like check the packaging, and that's like a constant movement. My hands are just gonna give out. So they told me they couldn't move on with my applications until I'm back at work because that's just how they deal with it. So I didn't get the job. I went to interview even though it was going very well, and it was almost like a given job. So I'm kind of sad, but of course I didn't want to do that to the department, me be on leave as soon as I get hired. So I understand that. So that's sad. So now let me see what I can add here, and I'll be back. Okay, so this is how the sidebar is looking like. I put, of course, my tracker. I like to track my content, or if I'm cooking, I like to track what I'm eating because I always reflect like how bad the week has been. Like if I've been eating out a lot, I gotta put the brakes on it. I have to do a small to-do list, you know, anything of like my personal life, like I have to go to the bank or I have to call like my adjuster, anything like that. I put it here. I put it to clean here just because I've been cleaning around the house, but very small here and there. So I always like to put the priority that's next. Like I did the dishes already, we did the bathroom. So now like the living room and the bedroom are due, and then mopping. So I like to do that. And then I finally got some notifications that some of my Happy Mail is on its way after a sale from who knows how long ago. So I'm pretty excited about that. So I just want to make sure that I always have it in mind because I'm the type of person that can order stuff and I will forget. And sometimes I don't even, like, it just slips out of my mind and I'm like, didn't I order this? And it'd be too late. So I'm that kind of person. So don't judge me. So now I kind of want to move on to the full boxes just because I want to lay them out. So I want to go ahead. I want to put this one. This one's making me really happy. Like this little hat, and it says Grandma's Recipes. So I kind of want to put it up here just because. Do I? What am I doing? Let's see. Because this is where I spend most of my time sleeping. So I kind of just don't want to like put anything there because all I do is sleep. Like your girl does not like getting up before like 9 or 10. Like what? No. And can you imagine? I was the one working at or waking up at 4 a.m. to go to work at 5. It's like, what? That is insane. I know. And then, oh, I love this little sugar one. So I'm going to go ahead and put it. Come on. Oh. There we go. I'm going to go ahead and put it right here in the middle. I'm going to do like this downward motion that most planner people like to do, where they do this and this and this. So I'm going to go ahead and do that myself. And then, ooh, I'm going to go ahead and do this one. This one looks super cute to put down here. Just like that. Oh, it's so cute. Now let me move on to this one. So this one is actually my birthday, so I'm going to go ahead and use the cake. Because why wouldn't I? And then I kind of want to line it with this one. So at 11 a.m. I'm going to go ahead and put it. How cute. I cannot. And then Valentine's Day. Ooh, I'm going to go ahead. Do I want to do this one or this one? I'm going to do the lemons. We got Valentine's Day over here. How cute. Why not? And then we have Saturday and Sunday. Oh, I'm like loving these full boxes. I wanted to do a Disney theme for my birthday, but since I didn't go to Disneyland, I'm like, I don't want to waste it. Did I put it all the way at the bottom? Yeah, I did leave. So this is how the spread is looking. Oh, it's so cute. I love it. Okay, so like I said, I'm not gonna go ahead and plan for the whole week. I kind of just want to plan whatever I have going on right now, and that is filming. So I have a filming day. I have work on Etsy orders, post office, and that's about it. So I'm only gonna plan for Monday, and then I'll put a post on the spread of what I did. So here I'm gonna go ahead and just put, do I want orange or green? Let's do pink. So this is filming. This is a filming day, and let me get, where's my pen? I don't even have like my stickers on me to like put like icons, like they're on the other part of the room, and I'm too lazy to go. So let me see if I have anything here. I do not. I don't think I do. I'm just gonna put busy day. Come on. These are from Kina Prints. And I'm gonna put filming day. So that's what's going on. And then I have to work on Etsy orders, which is always like the longest part of my day. Either way, I'm almost done with Etsy orders. I'm really happy. I think I have like 15 in my queue at the moment, so I'm almost done. So I'm pretty happy about that. Then my queue will be completely empty and I won't have to do much, so I'm pretty excited about that. Let me see if I have like a one I can use. I don't. Maybe we can use her with all the stacks of stickers. Yeah, let's do that. And put work on Etsy orders. Which I'm really excited because as soon as I get that queue cleared, I can now focus on my new releases that are happening on my birthday. So if you're watching this on my birthday, I'm having 15% off my entire shop, and I'm doing April releases and small sticker sheet releases. So if you didn't watch my Instagram stories and you didn't catch them, I do have a bunch of new releases coming up this Thursday, and the sale is only gonna be on my birthday. That's it. I'm not gonna do it for the entire week just because new releases and a sale is too hectic for me. So yeah, I'm already planning on like making, you know, my time frame. Like I might take the whole time frame to ship out orders, but that's why I'm only doing it for one day, because new releases is hectic as it is, and then putting a sale on top of it, I know I'm gonna be in it. But I'm really excited because it is my birthday and I want to celebrate, and I want you guys to have something to celebrate with me. So I will have sticker releases on Thursday on my birthday for 15% off, and it's only for that day. So I'm really excited. So yeah, that's that. And then I do have a couple of errands to run today, so let me work on that. So I did find a little to-do checkbox list here. So like I said, I need to go to the post office to drop them off after I'm done with them. So post office. And then like I mentioned, I do have my check finally from workers' comp. Woo-hoo. I gotta go to Chase to deposit it and to take out money. I got a mock budget actually like right now, right after this. And then I think that's about it. I don't think I have to do anything else besides going to the post office and going to the bank. I think that is it. Because I also need to pick up mail. So let's just put pick up mail. Even though it's kind of redundant, but I don't care. And that's it. And then I just gotta cook. So I don't even know if there's like a little cooking thing here. No, there's not, but that's fine. I don't mind. So that's all I'm planning on doing for Monday. Tuesday might also be a filming day, but I'm not even going to worry about it. Like I said, I'm doing like daily planning now. But I do want to mark that it's my birthday. So I'm so excited. I'm going to be, what is it, 27? Whew, scary. And it's funny because I know the exact time I was born. I was born at 8:23 a.m. Okay? So if you want to wish me a happy birthday at 8:23 a.m., the moment I was born, that's the time to do it. So I'm going to put happy birthday to me. So woo. We put 27. Oh my god. I'm old as shit, you guys. I'm about to be 30. Woo. That's horrible. I mean, that's age, right? You don't feel it. I feel like I'm like probably 20 still in my head. I was seeing that someone said that, you know, at a certain age you stop feeling like a kid, and I'm like, no, I am not there yet. So technically I'm still a kid. So that is me. That is my birthday. And then I'm gonna put like a little annotation and put a shop sale here. It's gonna go live at 8 a.m. or maybe just midnight, depends on when I get the listings done. So anytime this Thursday I'm gonna have shop sale, new releases. I don't even think I spelled that right. Whatever's 15. I put $15. It's 15% off. Girl, 15% off. And I'm so excited. I'm not ready for it though. I'm not ready. Whew. There's already a high demand, like, for the amount of stickers that I already do. And I'm so happy that for March I pre-printed out everything, because it's easier to get orders out, except for the 8.5 by 11s. Before, I didn't have a lot of 8.5 by 11 like customers, and now you guys are like, bam, up in my shop, and I'm like, yes, thank you. But I pre-print 7 by 9s because that's like the majority of my stickers. But now my fellow big planners are coming through, so yay. And then of course Friday is Valentine's Day. Bay is working, so I'm probably gonna be at home enjoying my last days of freedom before I go to work probably next week. Pretty sure I do, and if not, I will update you guys. But yeah, this has been my week. I don't even know what I'm doing on my birthday. Now that I have a check, I probably might be able to do something. But for now, that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!